Welcome to preparenext.com. We offer you job details. Today we are listing out 10 Abra scholarships that everyone needs to know about. At number 1, INLAC Shivadasini. INLAC scholarship allow meritorious students to pursue courses in various disciplines at top universities in the UK, Europe and the US. The foundation offers scholarship program in collaboration with Imperial College London, Royal College of Art, School of Oriental and African Studies, Universities of Cambridge and Sciences Po Paris. Indian citizens who hold a good undergraduate degree from recognized institution abroad must have resided continuously or studied continuously in India for at least 2 years following their return to India. Scholarship offers up to 1.8 lakh rupees per year. Application for INLAC scholarship open in January and close in March each year. Online application are accepted. Application for architecture, fine and applied arts, film, dance, acting and music are also required to submit a portfolio. At number 2, Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Degree. The scholarship covers both tuition and living costs for those attending an Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Degree over a period of 1 to 2 years. You may attend 2 universities in the program located overseas. Indian citizens who hold a good undergraduate degree from a recognized institution abroad must have resided continuously, worked and studied continuously in India for at least 2 years following the return to India. Scholarship offers up to 42,22,531 rupees per year. Eligible students who are eligible are required to fill in the application and submit it to the Dean. At number 3, Fulbright Nehru Fellowship. Postgraduate students, young professionals and artists pursuing studies or research in the US can apply for this scholarship. Indian citizens who hold a good undergraduate degree from recognized institution abroad must have resided continuously, worked or studied continuously in India for a period of at least 2 years following their return to India. Scholarship offers 1.8 lakh rupees per year. The application will be processed in June of every year. At number 4, Chevening Scholarship. The scholarship provides outstanding emerging leaders from around the world with 1-year master's degree in the UK. The scholarship are fully funded, flights, accommodation and tuition. Indian citizens who hold a good undergraduate degree from a recognized institution abroad must have resided continuously, worked or studied continuously in India for a period of at least 2 years following their return to India. The scholarship rewards up to 18,59,611, which also covers tuition fees, living costs, travel and visa expenses. Application for 2021 and 22 Chevening Scholarship closed on November 3, 2020. In June 2011, the names of those chosen will be announced, and for 2021 and 23, the application process is yet to be announced. At number 5, Stanford Reliance Dhirubhai Fellowship Program. The Reliance Dhirubhai Fellowship Program provides financial support to Indian students who wish to pursue an MBA degree at Stanford Business School. The student can study at Stanford University, USA and complete their higher education. Candidates for this fellowship program must meet Stanford MBA admission requirement, which would be a degree that is equivalent to a US bachelor degree, and GRE, GMAT and IELTS, PTE, TOEFL scores are required, and a minimum score of 100 on the TOEFL BT, 7 on the IELTS and 868 in PTE. Recommendation letters are also allowed. Total scholarship amounting to approximately 70 lakh, which also covers tuition fees, living costs, travel and visa expenses. Application for the fellowship opens on April 20, 2021 and closes on May 22, 2021 at 5 p.m. PST. For April 2022, the application process is yet to be announced. At number 6, Commonwealth Scholarships. Scholarships are offered to students from across the Commonwealth who could not afford to study in UK. The scheme helps to support future innovators and leaders by funding postgraduate studies in a variety of formats. Commonwealth scholarships are only available to citizens and permanent residents from Commonwealth countries. In case of refugee status or British protection, you are still eligible. Scholarship offers 98,000 per month or 1 lakh per month for those who are studying at universities in London. At number 7, the Felix Scholarship. It enables outstanding Indian students to pursue graduate study in any subject at prestigious British universities, including Oxford and the School of Oriental and African Studies and the Universities of London. The candidate must be talented and unprivileged Indian national who must hold a first-class degree from recognized Indian institution or an equivalent. Besides paying 100% of tuition fees and providing living allowances, the scholarship will also pay for return flights from India to the UK. You will be paid for the entire course period that you are liable to pay. Thank you for watching this video. For more info, visit preparenext.com.